Earlier on, I promised you on set we're going to be having right here performing, formerly known as Juvenile, now known as Jay Chavez. Did I get it correct?
No, you don't get
When I get it right. Try it again. Jay Chavez, right?
Never tell them.
I'm not going to tell them. But anyway, he's going to be on set right here, giving us his brand new track, Juvenile, aka Jay Chavez. I get it right. I mean,
No, you still, him still not get it right. A Jay Shabish, you get me? But big up yourself, Rick, you see me? Alright, what may I say, we're not on the rhythm today, but means I use my like for people hear my voice anyway, so I'm going to something clear and plain and clear. You got a thing like this. Check this out on YouTube right now as well. This they're on Grand Daily, you understand? Also will be on my Vivo channel. So check that out. That one I go. Your girl want for me. Oh Lord, what a fuckery. Put me there for the paper. Me just want money and luxury. Them boy can't touch me, be brother, the sun looking ugly. I got the son, they get them want out me. I be the man to give me bread, I'm hungry. Them man want slump me. Who love for a monkey? That's what I make on a Sunday. When I take a trip to country, you a girl get jumpy. I make her lunch like a bungee. I spin a deck like a DJ. Yeah, you can call me Fonty. Side girl, she a side chick. Can't make her my bitch. Oh Lord, can't wife it. I want money and it's priceless. I got the sauce, she want the link, but I want the link to that white shit. She want the beat, I'm on the beat, but I make it blow like a hysis. She jump on, ride it. I drive, no license. Pussy tight, no vice grip. You getting played like a violin. Girl, I tell me, say she love me. I take a trip to my island. Oh Lord, it's lovely, but oh Lord, it's violent. When my niggas make a movie, my dogs roll silent. South London's teeming. Go watching for the trident. You a bitch catching feelings, but the money where my mind is. I wanna roll like I'm Seabis, but I cannot get to where 9 is. In the lab and I'm vibing, all of them niggas don't want to jump on my shit. I ain't even gonna say shit, just gotta jump in and hype it. All of you niggas want sneak this, you will end up on my knife tip. All me these niggas be sleeping, I'll leave niggas lifeless. On me yo, man, I left that one there, song. You see me? Check that one there on YouTube, that one there is a Panda remix, you get me? May I give them one more before I go? That one there, after the girl, you see me? That one there coming soon as well. Video will be dropping soon as well. That one there go. Wine for me, baby. You know me got the sauce like gravy. Tasty like the sauce ain't tasty. My sauce, every girl want tasty. When me say easy, no cool, no baby. You want the sauce, then pay me. Cause every chop on the beat when me change it, that I go cost you about 80. Even though me not one bakery. Girl, them love me like PS3. So every pound and penny them a save it. And I come to get them sauce daily. Girl from New York and China. US and Young, them a mealy. So them want the sauce, them will want the sauce mix up with a little bit of Baileys. My sauce make girl get crazy. And I tell me them want puppy taily. Me say my girl, me and the Marco. This a sauce say we drive you crazy. She said juvenile, nothing don't faze me. You know see how my body look dainty. She said she want the sauce, but you get the sauce. My girl, he probably give you a baby. She said he's not cool, no baby. I tell me she well want tasty. Me say my girl, stop move hasty because this a sauce will whip you like slavery. She had, you may say, Juvenile, aka Jay Chavez. Look out for the thing now.
make sure you get the sauce, ladies. The brother say up the sauce, so make sure you get the sauce, ladies, alright? Respect our manners. Thank you very much for passing through the Urban Life Show. And if you want to see more artists like Juvenile right here on the set, make sure you go onto the World Mag website, log on to the website, click onto the Urban Life banner, get in contact with us so we get in contact with you. Juvenile, one last word to the people them that's watching right now. What you want to say before we go?
Mainly more telling you, keep in tune. Follow me on social media at Jay Chavez at SHAVISH. You see me? So follow me on social media and keep up to date. Go and subscribe to my Vivo channel, and that's Jay Chavez Vivo. Yeah.
Subscribe, like, post, share, and everything. Yeah.
All of that.
Go on to it. All right. Respect our manners.
Manners and respect.
Up with it. Peace. We're out.